Let's continue the story. Tom whitewashes the fence. I shall not make a mistake. I will be so careful. Here, you can take my apple if you like. Please let me do it, Tom. Tom now had Ben begging for a chance to whitewash the fence. Children, can you see how Tom tricked Ben? He pretended that whitewashing was a fun task. Now Ben wants to do it, and he is ready to give his apple to him. Let's read once more. I shall not make a mistake. I will be so careful. Here, you can take my apple if you like. Please let me do it, Tom. Ben is requesting Tom to allow him to whitewash the fence. Slowly and unwillingly, Tom handed the brush to Ben. See, Tom is very clever. He is still pretending that he is not interested in giving the brush to Ben. So he is giving him very slowly, as if he is not interested at all. He is not willing to give the task to Ben. He sat down to eat the delicious apple in front of his house. Now Tom is enjoying the crunchy, juicy red apple, while Ben is whitewashing the fence. Meanwhile, his friend worked in the hot sun. Ben is working in the hot sun. Soon, other boys came along with their offerings. With their offerings means contributions. Every boy, every friend of Tom brought one or the other thing to offer and got a chance to whitewash the fence. Before the afternoon was over, the fence had 3 coats of whitewash on it. Tom was the owner of 12 marbles, a tin soldier, a key, a dog's collar, the handle of a knife, and 4 segments of an orange. At one point of time, there was a situation that he didn't want to whitewash the fence at all, but he played very smart. He pretended that whitewashing is a fun task, so every friend of his wanted to do it. One by one, they came with their offerings, with their things to offer, and got a chance to whitewash the fence. Before the afternoon was over, the fence had 3 coats of whitewash. Now Tom was the owner of 12 marbles, a tin soldier, a key, a dog's collar, the handle of a knife, and 4 segments of an orange. Segment means portions. 4 portions of an orange. So you can see now he has a lot of stuff with him and the work is done. He had cleverly got what he wanted by pretending to enjoy the work he was doing. Needless to say, means it's very obvious. It's easily understood. Aunt Polly was delighted. Of course, it's understood here that Aunt Polly was delighted. She was very happy to see the fence looking so spotlessly white. Spotlessly means without a spot, without any spot or stain or mark. She couldn't believe Tom had whitewashed the fence all by himself. Aunt Polly couldn't believe that Tom had finished the task and he had done it so beautifully. She was delighted. She was very happy.